commentary, honestly. Apologies if y'all think I'm at all brash. I got no time to compromise or talk trash. My life's a testament to hip-hop.
I'd rather be broke and have a whole lot of respect for the culture. We keep some hardcore. Doing hip hop for my heart, not for the money. First division, we got what you want. It's the
all of my life I live. I'll be thugging with you. Thug it out, baby. Thug it out, baby. Don't stop till I die for this. I'll be keeping it true. Yeah, yeah.
She ain't common the name, break it down simple and plain. We're from a small chimp in the game to gorilla king, pimp in the game. Know how to tempt dames to tense in the range. Hit the block, the pitch box, the strength of the name. Limp with a cane, lactose and lymph in the cane. You even pack toast, spin from the flames. My aim was strictly about making that bread pop. Blocks red hot from feds and cops. Looking for rock bottles with red tops. Trading lead shots with dreadlocks. Infrared dots till a head drop. We flesh spots. Word on the curve is when it came to birds, we spread flocks. No telling when the bloodshed stop. Glide to the sled stop, cop the latest. Every hot flavor in them Crocs and Gators. Somebody click, riff, pop. The bravest out of town trips and whips I got for Mavis. Drop knots in Vegas. My plot for paper was crock pots or wafers.
All of my life I live. I'll be thugging with you. Thug it out, baby. Thug it out, baby. Don't stop till I die for this. I'll be keeping it true. Yeah, yeah.
Nigga enter one mansion room. Wall to wall with hands and goons. Half naked bitches dancing the tunes. Marble floor to the terrace, nigga glance the moon. Play the jacuzzi till your hands get brune. Rugs tight, bright as the white sands of Cancun. Skylights up in the ceilings for the plants to bloom. Nigga, we crop grams and dunes. Cuban cigar brand the grandest fumes. Prison niggas that ran balloons. Shut down shop from Jan to June. And still cop land in the booms. Fuck women in tanning rooms. Every last fingernail on the hand groom. Self-built dope, down to the make pelts. Gator belts and silk suit. If I can't stack a nigga, cap can pilt loose. Work to them cats that died on the street and spilled juice. So where the dawn be? In the calm breeze in the palm trees. Bomb G under the armpiece. Living in harmony. Coke farm pharmacy. Bulletproof armory. School of the hard knock honorary. Washing the jackpot like laundry. Fucking Dawn of the Year nominee. Honestly.
All of my life I live.
All of my life.
I'll be thugging with you. Thug it out, baby. Thug it out, baby. Don't stop till I die.
It don't stop, baby.
I'll be keeping it true.
homies who be rolling with me. Play no game, play no games, cause ain't nobody playing with me. I got love for my niggas on my family tree. I got love for the ghetto, down for whatever. If you was down before, then you still gonna be down with me. I got game, cause the game was given to me. Say my name, cause ain't nobody tighter than me. Give it up, if you like the way I'm rocking this beat. I don't know nothing better, chasing my cheddar. If you in love with a whore, you ain't never listen to me.
Choked up.
On top of that, we got and my man Nate Dogg in the bricks.
How do I maintain in this world?
And you say Brick City.
A world that's brutal, mean, and cold.
And you say Brick City.
How do I survive with haters?
And you say Brick City.
Trying to take the very thing that I work for.
And you say Brick City.
Where do I go when I'm hiding?
And you say Brick City.
Homie, I don't know, I just gotta go by.
Yeah, yo Snoop, if I fell in love with another drug, I always be broke. Then I'll never have that purple to smoke. I don't do coke, dog, I really drink Pepsi. Only Reggie weed to give you epilepsy. When I talk, dog, never indirectly, I'm blunt. You got weed chumps? I do about 45 over speed bumps. So when you tryna roll your weed on the floor, Joe Piscopo, I play too much. That's why my Saturday night is liver than yours. I fight niggas over Mary Jane, even beat Steven ass on Jerry Spring. Ask the dog, my weed religion, basic. Only nation for the weed is donation. Now you high, then throw it up. Even Rick James had to sing about her. It's
Ooh, Mary Jane.
Mary Jane.
Cause I be fucking Mary Jane all day. Mary Jane.
Mary Jane.
You know what? See, I be fucking Mary Jane all night.
I'm in love with Mary Jane. She is my main thing. Stay away from hocus pocus. That gives me headaches, pain. And when my sack gets low, no, I don't get uptight. I go and find my girl. Once again, it's on tonight.
1 for the money and 2 for the show and 3 for the papers and 4 for the drone. Here we go, let it flow. Just make sure the end's tight. Take a pull. Tell me what it hit like. Paper bag, fill it with the chippers. My new nickname is the Blackjack Tripper. 2 bitches in the pad at the same time, and I cracked them both with the same lines. Do you like to smoke? Can I take your coat? Hennessy with a dash of coke. Niggas tryna holler like whoop-de-whoop. Let the bitches co-ride and Snoopy cool. You're rolling with a motherfucking winner, and you might win a treat to a TV dinner. We got rules to the game. Nephew, the only bitch I love is Mary Jane. I tell the truth. Mary Jane.
Mary Jane.
Cause I be fucking Mary Jane all day.
This the diggy doc, y'all. Pumping it, yes, y'all. DOC on the system, we kick it fresh, y'all. Letting the bass dump on is strong and hard for PPP. Engineering the cut is E-double-A. Yo, it's the diggy doc, y'all. Yo, when I hear a bass, disco goes out to my niggas and y'all bitches. The Benzes, Range Rovers, and 64 switches. The CIA feds and even dogs sniff it. I plan a bomb right by the bar where the stars kick it. Doc stomping ground, Brick City hound. What? Gorillas out the jungle, get gritty now. What? I'm walking barefooted over loads of hot cold. Cuts from the snot nose, keep your barbershop closed. When it goes, Flex don't have to drop the bomb on it. I keep my speech bleak and my right mind on it. So when it's time, I'm heard in the street. My mammal animal skin, exciting all the birds in your Jeep. I'm crazy nigga, when I was young I spread and shaved both legs to my babysitter. Ran into baby kids in the baby pickup. Shot up Toys R Us and robbed KB nigga. This is death poetry far beyond my control. Fuck your Teflon, be body armed like the toe. Unload from my bros and make it hot for homie. I puff so much of that green I bleed guacamole. It's like Shaq and Kobe, I beat for 4 quarters. Call the veterinarians to get the dogs off ya. Animals attack part 4, people staring. I'm not the type of fucker that'll go and meet your parents. I'm outside trick-or-treating, fuck if my chick is cheating. I'm hungry as fuck and I hope you niggas sick of eating. It's like the 4th letter, 10th letter, 3rd letter. Chicken hawk, bird getter, holler if you heard better. I got a chick with no ass at all. I fuck her for the love of that money, not basketball. And when my man comes home and the death squad is back, yo, give me that rap game, we'll take charge of that.
I'm peeping the way you just be creeping and popping up in all these special places that I frequented. Ooh, you be doing your thing, don't you ruin. Ooh, the way you handle your crew is so cool. Your personality be so rich, it's really bugged out how we still bumping heads on the remix. Tick, what makes you tick? I wanna see. Ain't no frontin', baby boo, where you at? I wanna be
down. Good Lord, baby got 'em open all over town. Strictly 'cause you don't play around, cover much ground, got game by the pound. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day, true play away. I can't get her out of my mind. I think about the girl all the time. East side to the west side, pushing fat rides, it's no surprise. She got tricks in the stash, stacking up the cash fast when it comes to the dash. By no means average, cause on when she's got to have it. Baby, you're a perfect 10. I wanna get in, and I get down, so I win. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up.
Represent my peoples on the side. A vocal extraordinaire. I might as well tell you who I am. I am Queen of all hip hop. Know
A vocal extraordinaire. The ruggedness. Lyrical terrorist.
I'm the dopest female that you've heard thus far. The queen, of course.
My life,
the best has yet to come.
Paramount, Ayatollah, Howie McDuffie, Holiday Styles, Double R, Focus Records, Barrel talk to him. Let him try to understand. Let him try that.
My life is all I have. My rhymes, my pen, my pad. And I done made it through the struggle, don't judge me. What you say now won't budge me. Cause where I come from, so often people you grew up with are laying in a coffin. But I done made it through the pain and strife. It's my time now, my world, my life, my life.
It's based on lighting blunts, loading guns, telling my lawyers to get the case gone. I need the bills that the president's got their face on so I can switch my residence. Get a truck in the Lex, fuck a check, I no longer have to wait for 'em. I made a couple ends, lost a couple friends. I light a blunt cause never will a struggle end. So you could judge a nigga, but you ain't got it, you ain't in the road. So you really can't budge a nigga, you oughta love a nigga. For the fact that it's my world and my life, and still I'm a rugged nigga. They say you bugging nigga, fuck it, I'm a thuggin' nigga. You talking bullshit, then kick it with another nigga. I got a bigger bed, and I need a cover nigga. And I ain't got friends, I got enemies. So if they with me, then that means they my brother nigga.
My life is all I have. My rhymes, my pen, my pad.
Yeah.
And I done made it through the struggle, don't judge me. What you say now won't budge me. Cause where I come from, so often people you grew up with are laying in a coffin. But I done made it through the pain and strife. It's my time now, my world, my life, my life.
Hey yo, I spit it at you, hit you up, ill bill. Brooklyn be the place where I rest at. The foundation, the truth, the death trap. My Uncle Howie on the couch, high on dope. 5714, Farragut Road, the projects. I grew up broke. Used to read Spider-Man while my uncle burned holes in his clothes. Nodding out mid-sentence, eyes closed when he spoke. Coughing and choking the weed that he smoked. What? Speaking of non-fiction, y'all listening. Ear to the streets, it's like they got the sidewalk wide. Underneath our feet, young Vader, young Bill, bastard swordsman. My mind is like the script from an Italian gore flick. I'm caught between worlds. I see the light within the darkness, but I still can't decide which way to turn. I can't decide which way to burn. So I'ma light it up at both ends and watch it unfurl. Caught between worlds, non-fiction. So many people understand the same pain that I feel. They feel the same way, they think the same thoughts. So the names change, same love, same hate, same truth, same fate. Caught between worlds, non-fiction. So many people understand the same pain that I feel. They feel the same way, they think the same thoughts. So the names change, same love, same hate, same truth, same fate. Yo.
I haven't seen that look in such a long time. I've yet to feel what could be called peace of mind. Haven't seen that look in such a long time. I've yet to feel what could be called peace of mind.
1, 2, and a 1, 2, and a yo. All those shorties around my way, I see y'all. Do your thing, come on, come on, do your thing, come on, yeah. I'm running down, yo. Sitting on a stoop, watching chickens fly the coop. People troop through the night in coops. I got dice to shoot. Way too late to see this youth hanging on the app. It's my little man whose mama just told me he skipped the class. He on the corner smoking a stove, looking broken and blowed. He opened his soul, said he came to a fork in the road. Son, I never seen that look in your eye. What's wrong, kid? He reply, what they teaching me in school ain't helping me to live. It ain't relevant to me. Word is born and class is so overcrowded they don't even notice when I'm gone. Hold on, shorty, you're speeding. Take what they got you reading, apply it to your life and give it your own meaning. There's nothing out here for you, so stop running from school. You only defeat yourself, that's what they want you to do. It's that simple as what I told them, no one will hold your hand. Count your blessings, not your problems, and stay focused, man.
I haven't seen that look in such a long time. I've yet to feel what could be called peace of mind. Haven't seen that look
You're moving down south to Atlanta to be with your family, that's what it's about, right? Selling your house and quitting your job, not wishing on a star, just getting with God. I'm missing you hard already. You used to be hooking us up, cooking for us. It was love, you was Brooklyn to us. I remember the tragic loss of the baby's father. Being 8 months pregnant was hard, that made it crazy harder. Plus I know you loved him, and you felt like you would lose it. That's why it's good you start again and focus on your music. I got your back on a plane that's 2 hours away. That's like going to Queens and taking the A. The day you sound stressed out, I know you're ready to leave, ready to be free and keep a home steady for your seeds. But you there already. If you thought it could happen. The hands God works with his hours.